Kings of Crunch, Series 1, 1975 Ford F-250, King Kong. The other trucks in this series is the 1970 Chevrolet K10 USA number 1, 1972 Chevrolet K10, 1974 Ford F-250 Bigfoot number 1, 1975 Ford F-250, well, that's King Kong, who we're going to unbox, and 1971 Chevrolet K10 Gulf Oil Super Special, then the 1979 Ford F-250. For more information, go on to greenlightcollectibles.com. Back in 2019 at the International Monster Truck Museum and Hall of Fame out in the state of Indiana, I was able to purchase this DVD of Jeff Dane's King Kong Monster Trucks, the heaviest show on wheels. And of course there he autographed it, and some nice pictures of King Kong. Here is King Kong that we're going to be unboxing from the Kings of Crunch here right now. Up on top of the cars, take a look at this front of King Kong. It has a nice looking fender kind of here. It has the name of the truck. Look at the lights, very cool lights. Kind of a wrench maybe in front here on the bumper, front bumper. Maybe not, I could be wrong about that, but looks really nice. We got the diesel powered smokestack coming off of King Kong. That's a better look so you can see it. Goodyear tires. King Kong, the name of the truck on the side. It also has 4x4x4, I believe, on the side. Let me go ahead and zoom in for you. It does have a nice roll bar and lights. Let me go to the back of the truck. There we go. That's what the tailgate looks like. And on to the other side. I noticed that the body of King Kong, or the axle going across, maybe it's more of the axle going across that is bent, but it looks like the body is bent, but other way, I got a little bit of one that is a little bit cattywampus, if you want to say. The truck is named after the giant fictional gorilla of the same name, if you didn't know that. And also, this truck was famous for its crash down in Myrtle Beach in 1990 with Carolina Crusher. So that's actually at on the front cover of the DVD, right there down below. So that's the unboxing of the Greenlight Collectibles of King Kong.